Hi student, this is Pranav Max Academy. Today we are going to learn some word problems with multiplication and division. Most of the students find difficult in understanding the word problem, either it is of multiplication or division. Here I am going to give you some tips. Let us see some examples. First question is, there are 4 queues. If there are 5 people in each group, how many people are there altogether? The word altogether here indicate it is of multiplication type. Here you can draw diagram to understand it better. There are 4 queues are there. Therefore 4 rows of data are needed. 5 peoples are there in each group. So 5 stars you can draw. Then totally we get how many? We get 4 into 5, that is equal to 20. 20 peoples are there. Next question. There are 3 packets of sweets in a box. Each packet contains 8 sweets. How many sweets are there in all? Here in all keyword indicate this problem is of multiplication type. Here you have to multiply 3 by 8. You can draw diagram for this to get understand it well. So 3 into 8 equal to 24 sweets. There are totally 24 sweets. Next question. A cinema hall sold 1000 tickets on Saturday and thrice as many on Sunday. How many tickets did it sell on both the day? Here it cannot simply multiply. You have to find how many tickets sold on Sunday. Then you have to add with the tickets sold on Saturday. Here first you have to find tickets sold on Sunday. That is equal to 3 times. Therefore 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. Then add it with the tickets sold on Saturday. We get 4000. 4000 tickets are sold on both the days. Next question. The cost of a ruler is rupees 10 and the cost of an ink pen is 3 times the cost of a ruler. The question is to find the total cost of 2 ruler and 1 ink pen. Here cost of 1 ruler is given, so we have to multiply it with 3 to find the cost of ink pen. Then the question is to find cost of 2 rulers, so we have to multiply by 2. 2 into 10, with that we have to add the cost of ink pen, therefore we get 50. You can draw diagram to understand it better. You can use keywords to identify whether the problem is of multiplication type. But sometimes it is not reliable, so you can draw a diagram for the given data. You can understand the question completely or translate into your mother tongue. Then you will get better understanding of the question. Division. Victor has 40 stickers. He arranged them in 4 rows. How many stickers were there in each row? Here the keyword each row indicate it is of division type. You can draw diagram also. 40 stickers divided by 4 rows, that is equal to 10 stickers per row. Next question is 250 pens can be packed in one box. How many boxes are needed to pack 1,72,250 pens? This type of question sometimes asked in 4th to 5th standard student. But 250 since the number is greater, you can get a table of 250. Then from the data you can divide it easily. Here 1,72,250 divided by 250. First get the 4 digits, then check with the multiplication table which number is possible. In this way you can get the answer. Here the question we get is 689. The answer is 689. 689 boxes are needed to pack the given number of pens. Next question. Division. Sita saves rupees 20 per week. How many weeks will she take to save 460? Here we have to divide 460 divided by 20. We get 23. She needs 23 weeks to save the rupees 460. Next question. A shopkeeper packed 240 biscuits in 12 boxes. How many biscuits are there in each box? Here each box word identify it is of division. Therefore we have to divide 240 divided by 12. Therefore we get 20. There are 20 biscuits are there in each box. She divided rupees 80 equally among her 3 friends and herself. How much did each of them get? Here you cannot divide 80 divided by 3. You have to be careful in reading the question. Here the question, she divide among herself and 3 friends. So we have to divide it by 4. Total members equal to 3 plus 4. 3 friends are there. Therefore, 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. We have to divide 80 divided by 4. Therefore, each student get 20 rupees. For a fun fair stall, Hari packed 622 sandwiches in packets of 2 and sold each packet for rupees 5. How much money did he get in all? Here, first the sandwiches are packed in packets of 2. So, therefore, we have to divide 622 divided by 2. That much of packets are sold in rupees 5 per packet. So, we have to divide for 622 by 2. Therefore, we get 311 packets. Since each packet is sold for rupees 5, we have to multiply the result with 5. Therefore, we get 1555. The money he got is 1555. In division also, you can identify the problem using keywords. You can draw the diagram. Using keywords, sometimes it is not reliable. So, you have to understand the question completely or translate into your mother tongue. Then you will get the accurate result. Thank you for watching my video. Learning is a treasure. It follows its owner everywhere. Keep learning. For more videos, subscribe my channel.